there. So we are going to go ahead and introduce to you our free motion kit and our ruler work kit. It's taking a really simple solution, which is a cling material that we'll provide you, as well as our polish kit. And what that does is that actually brings the tools necessary to be able to ensure that there is no obstruction when you're doing any kind of free motion work or ruler work. So first we're going to be providing you with a couple of cling materials and then the polish kit. And now I'm going to show you how you're going to go ahead and actually put those onto your table and connect them to your machine. And the material is very, very slick. It's similar to the cling material that we send for our grids that you see on the underside of the table. And now you can just apply it to the top side by simply cutting this out, and it's just a clear material. So you can still see the grid that's on the underside of your sewing machine that way. You can still see anything that you're putting on the underside of your table. Lots of people love to store stuff down there. And then you're also able to go ahead and remove it really easily, and we'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of place this down, and I always like to bend it over. I find it a lot easier to start by bending over, so you kind of see how I'm just shaping that area there. And then once you kind of have that first part done, you use your fingers, or you can use a credit card even to really smooth it down. And then you can just kind of roll it out. So now that's rolled out on the top part of the table. And then you can simply cut this part down. So if there are any gaps, a lot of times there are gaps on machines that are curved. You might have a sloped free arm right here, and so there could be a slight gap because our tables are perfectly level plane, so they can't curve with your machine. But now we have a solution where you can go ahead and apply this cling material to the machine and the table, so there's one flat smooth surface all the way down the machine area, and that ensures that you have no worry when it comes to being able to do any kind of free motion work or ruler work as far as anything catching and that type of thing. So now I'm just going to cut this down so it's just really in the area that I need it. Just apply this to the other side of the needle, on the side that you have not applied it to yet. And because this is a cling material, you can just kind of reapply it, bring it up. If you don't want to see any kind of air bubbles, you know, just kind of use maybe a credit card or something like that and be able to smooth it out. Don't forget to now use your polish kit to be able to really get your fabric running smoothly on your table. Our silicone-based polish is one where you just have to apply it maybe once every month or two. So you say, what do I do now that I have done my ruler work, but I need to store my machine and my table because I don't have a place to have it set up all the time? Not a problem. You can easily remove the cling material that you put onto your table, put it back onto the backing that it originally came on. Super simple solution to being able to provide you with an opportunity for really easy free motion work with a curved machine.